So let's go on to part B of question 5 of the June 2023 Add Math, CSEC Add Math Paper 2. So this question is, of course, is on integration. So part 1, find an integral of 2x plus 3 squared with respect to x, and this is just with 2 marks. So I'm just going to use the formula integral of ax plus b to the power of n with respect to x is equal to ax plus b to the power of n plus 1 over a times n plus 1, of course, plus c. Okay, so the integral of 2x plus 3 all squared, if we follow the formula, it will be 2x plus 3 to the power of n plus 1, sorry. So we add 1 to the index, so that'll be to the power of 3 divided by a by n plus 1. So a in this case is 2 times n plus 1, which is 3, okay, plus c. So if we simplify this, 2 times 3 is 6. So since the 6 is in the denominator, I could say it's 1/6 times 2x plus 3 cubed plus c. And that's your 2 marks. So let's go on to part 2, which is also 2 marks. This time we have to integrate a trig function, 5 cos 2x with respect to x. So again, if we're using our integration rules, the integral of cos ax is 1 over a sine ax plus c. So therefore the integral of 5 cos 2x, of course we could put the 5 outside of the integral symbol and just integrate the trig function itself. So it will be 5 times the integral of cos 2x according to the rule would be half sine 2x. Of course, in this case, a is 2. Okay, plus c. Alright, so we just multiply out 5 times a half will just be 5 over 2. So it's 5 over 2 sine 2x plus c. And that's your 2 marks. So the last part of question 5 for 3 marks. If dy dx is equal to 6x minus 10 and y is 12 and x is 0, find the equation for y in terms of x. So dy dx is given as 6x minus 10. So therefore to find y, we therefore need to integrate dy dx with respect to x, of course. So we are integrating 6x minus 10 with respect to x. Okay, so integrating 6x, it will be 6 by x squared over 2 minus integral of 10 will be 10x. Of course, plus c. Alright, so 6 over 2 is 3, so that's 3x squared minus 10x plus c. Now to find the value of c, of course, they gave us the value when x is 0, y is 12. So when x is 0, if I substitute 0 into the function, this will be 0, 3x squared will be 0, 10x will also be 0, and therefore we'll just end up with y being equal to 12 on the left hand side, and therefore c will also be equal to 12. Alright, so if x is 0, y is equal to 12, then that means that c is equal to 12, and therefore the equation for y in terms of x will be y is equal to 3x squared minus 10x plus